Howdy friends, my name is Pawan Jaswal. I have started this new tutorial series on bWAPP. This is the first tutorial on how to install and configure bWAPP application. The consecutive tutorial will be on understanding the vulnerabilities and solving the challenge one after another. Before moving further, let me give you a brief description on what exactly bWAPP is. bWAPP is an open source insecure web application. This is one of the awesome applications created to help you learn web application vulnerabilities by practicing them hands-on. The best part of the application is that it has over 100 web application vulnerabilities which majorly focuses on known web bugs and also includes all the risks from WAP's top 10 projects. Yes, that's right. It has got all the things you want to have basic knowledge of hacking a web application. This application is built using PHP and MySQL as its database. So instead of you trying to focus on installing PHP and MySQL, I have given two simple ways to get you out of this hassle and quickly spawn the application for hacking. Coming to the point, yes, of course, there are many methods to set up the same using XAMPP, LAMP on your host machine. The goal here is to set up the application quickly. For the same, here are two simplest ways. I suggest you to try the first method. If in case there is an issue, move up to the other methods until you are done with the setup. First, using remote Docker. The prerequisite is installing Docker on your host machine. Run the below Docker command to spawn the application. It will take some time to pull the image on your system if you have not pulled the image previously. Once done, it would immediately start the server and the application would be available. In case you have issues getting bWAPP Docker from a remote server, then you can try out the second method. Second, using local Docker. The prerequisite is you should have a Git and Docker client installed on your host machine. Now, clone the repository by running the command. Next, enter into bWAPP directories and run the below command. Once done, the bWAPP application should be running. From either of the way, once the application is set up, access the application by going to the browser and hitting http localhost install.php, which would look something like this. Now either click on the link given on the page or hit this URL and you are done. Now go to localhost login.php and login into the application using default credentials, username as b and password as bug. Subsequently, you can set the severity level from low to high, where the low severity level means the application is completely vulnerable, medium means it has some kind of security mechanism implanted but still has some flaws, and high means the application is completely secure. This is end of the first tutorial on installation and configuration of bWAPP. See you in the next part. Till then, keep hacking.